Okay, so remember I showed you this last week? Just take a look at that real quick. Yeah, this is the core to the lock for my new bike rack. So, guess what came in? Sorry about the noise, hopefully I can edit that out. My bike rack came. Now I've got to put it all together and get it on the car. Pretty stoked about this. So this is the mounting bracket where I actually can put my locking mechanism on here. This here is the piece where my core will go. So you can see that's where the core fits in. And then that goes there. Get these out of the way. So that's the back piece. So that's what will actually go on the bike rack there. Same with these mounts here. Of course, that's the back tire. And this kit comes with all the tools necessary to put it together. Pretty cool. Oh, and this is the back plate that will, once I get everything on, will essentially go right there. Just like that. So these are the pieces. Now what? And then, of course, the core lock. So, with that being said, I also have the instructions here. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is put this on. So essentially I got this upside down. See the track here. And I want to pop that into the track. There we go. Next thing I want to do is slide on the wheel holder. So slide these through. Alright. So here's the first one. Just get it started so I can hit it with a hammer. So I've already smashed the crap out of my finger. Let's see. There we go. And then we want to put the back cap on. Alright, so this one, set these two pieces together like so. Alright, so I just realized something, that I need 2 of these. One's going to go on this via right here, and the other one is going to go in here. Actually, right here. So you can see where the other one goes. So for now, I'm only going to have one lock. There we go. So the lock's in place. It's not coming out now, so it's there now. So the only thing that's left to do is figure out what side of the car I want to put this on. So essentially I took this and loosened it all up, took those off so that it slide over the front. This one here, loosen one up. And then I can take the other one entirely off. So there's that. And then this end cap will go on there and it'll be on. The only problem is I don't have a lock for the bike itself, so I got to be mindful of that. Let's go to the car. Alright, well, got the bike rack on. That's good to go. Had the bike, did the road bike on it. Haven't done the mountain bike yet, but check it out. Mountain bike is back together. Still need to do some fine tuning, but other than that, it's ready to go. I'll take a test drive on it, or a test ride on it tomorrow afternoon and do some fine tuning, I'm sure. So, hope you had fun today, and I'll see you out on the trail.